Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to buy coin in Trust Wallet with UST. Open Trust Wallet and make sure you have UST funded in your wallet, then locate the DEX or Swap tab to begin. I will walk you through selecting the correct token contract, setting slippage, and confirming the transaction. Stay calm, follow each step, and I will explain common pitfalls so your swap is successful and secure. Before swapping, confirm your wallet is ready and funded with UST and a small native token for gas. Add the custom token contract if the coin is not visible. Copy it from a reliable source and paste it into Trust Wallet to avoid fake tokens. Set an appropriate slippage tolerance to account for price movement and review the estimated fees so you are comfortable before approving the swap and sending the transaction. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and smart mapping to keep your space tidy while you manage crypto. I love its hands-off cleaning when I'm busy trading or learning new wallets. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. Now we will execute the swap step by step while I explain each option in plain terms. Select UST as the input token and the desired coin as output. Double-check the contract address and enter the amount you want to spend. Adjust slippage only as necessary, confirm the minimum received, and approve the transaction. Wait for blockchain confirmations, then verify the new token balance in your wallet to ensure the swap completed successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.